back to my channel. I know I haven't haven't made any videos lately since the last video. It's been that long, but there hasn't really been much anything to record. I mean, there has, but I've just been lazy. But yeah, it's almost the end of the year. It's been a good year. Every other year it has its up and downs, but we made it. So right now I'm on my way to Francisco's house. My rear hubs are going out, so it's like I need to replace those. It's annoying sometimes. Dirty. What's up, fool?
What the fuck are you doing?
What you doing?
Fucking your downpipe?
Why?
Look at that shit. Wanna do those?
Oh, fuck. Damn, son. Oh, shit. Hell yeah, that was a good ass hit. Damn, you scraped it right here too?
Huh?
You scraped the bumper?
I think so. I don't remember where. I didn't see that shit. Fucking piece of shit, man.
Replacing the hubs. They were bad already, dog. Oh, fuck. Trash. Rice. Rice. Listo. Going all-wheel drive, homie. Toda la cosa.
¿Quieres te pago aseguranza, güey? Yo no soy culero.
Get this one this way. I can see your bald head.
No mames, güey. Es que estoy aquí en Parkway Starbucks. No miras qué trabajadores tengo aquí. Tan perros.
We need 3-spoon engines, dog.
¿Eh? Hey, ¿cuándo no? Solo que miras tú, ese teléfono como 5 veces por día le tiene que cargar, güey, esa madre.
That shit's fast right there. Mira qué bien nice. Look at that beauty. Test fit, test fit, test fit. Make sure they are right. If I do this shit right now, it's like a bad memory. Both sides done. For those wondering, I'm running this spacer for the rear. I don't need it, but I wanted to sit closer to the quarter panel, since I did roll and super pulled the quarters. Time for the wheels. Ya, güey.
¿Ah?
Ya. Ya. Gracias, güey. Aprendí de ti. Oh, shit died. Probably the last video you guys saw. His car wasn't painted yet. Dirty. And I'll be doing an update on some parts I added. This one's just a carbon fiber hood. My GoPro's about to die, but got some new things for that. Give a shout out to Paco for helping me out over here being fucking Superman. You got it, bro? Yeah. Alguitas de Miley. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna close this one out. So we'll see you on the next video. Right, Doug? We'll see him on the next video.
Oh, Simón, güey, mucho jale aquí.
Peace.